Hello Whistler, it is April 18th. Yesterday was an important day for BC as it provided a real sense of where we are at in our fight against COVID-19. Dr. Henry presented the COVID-19 in BC model. I'll leave a link in the comments. I would encourage you to have a watch. It's really an interesting presentation of the kind of scientific insight that's been guiding us locally, but also provincially. The main message that Dr. Henry provided, and the main message I want to pass on to you, is that we're on the right track. We have flattened the curve. Let's finish the job. That means staying the course. Continue to practice what got us here. Continue to be physically distanced and wash our hands and not touch our face. We all share the desire to safely and thoughtfully reopen our community, but we're just not there yet. The public health goal remains controlling transmission and growth in new cases while monitoring and minimizing the unintended consequences of these necessary public health measures. Dr. Henry did indicate that the BC Ministry of Health and British Columbia may consider lifting some of these restrictions by mid-May, but definitely not before. It's also important to note that even when we do start the process of opening, the new normal will be a modification of what we're doing today. So, physical distancing, hand washing, those things that have made us successful and helped us flatten the curve. But we will not be returning to life as it was before COVID-19 anytime soon. This will touch every part of our lives for some time. Recreation is obviously in the front of our minds as Whistlerites. The message is get outside, walk, run, bike, get on the trails, and stay healthy. And practice doing those things in a physically distanced way that you'll be able to sustain and maintain for a long time. Teach our families, teach each other on how we can do that well and do that education in a kind way. The RMOW is already focusing on additional ways we can facilitate access to exercise, recreation, and community in a safe way. Pay attention to RMOW channels to get that information as it comes out. For recommendations on protecting families and communities from COVID-19, please visit bccdc.ca. For non-medical questions about the province's COVID-19 response, please visit gov.bc.ca/COVID-19. And for a full listing of Dr. Bonnie Henry's orders, you can visit gov.bc.ca/PHO guidance. We do have a website that kind of shares all of the information that the RMOW has been collecting and sharing. And for information from the RMOW on COVID-19, you can go to whistler.ca/COVID-19. My message to you today is we have done well. We have flattened the curve. Let's finish the job. Have a good day.